getting the regular. That's bomb.
First, but on screen, it really does its job in the background. You can't even tell. Across from it, that building with the white columns, you're looking at.
There's a fire.
Let's go this way to the left. The Bates Motel. Movies. Fast and Furious, let's go. Where's the line? Oh, the line is over there, no? Mag-line ta? I want to take a picture of those. Come on.
Why you look so bad, bro?
Let's go over there. Take a picture on that, huh? Let's go a picture over here, yeah.
We got driver chosen. We're gonna finish the tour together.
Alright, this is our last visit this year, 2024. Because our pass, the whole year pass, will expire next month. But the whole month, next month will be blackout. So yeah, until next time, we're not coming back here until they have all they have new rides, right? Yes.
We forgot to turn the
We forgot to what? Alright, until next time, Universal Studios Hollywood.